up everyone? My name is Dora. Welcome to my channel. I just want to let you guys know I am on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest. So don't forget to look those up. Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make cake bath bombs. I think these are so cute. I'm also going to show you a few ways that you can decorate your cakes. If you have a creative cake idea, please leave a comment below. I would love to read it. You can either add water or liquid colorant like I am. Add wet ingredients slowly to dry while whisking. Now thoroughly mix and knead the batch with your hands. I tried to create a mottled look on the exterior by varying some of the colors, but it didn't make that much of a difference and it was kind of a waste. Shout out to Chunkadust who made this custom mold just for me. It will be linked in the description along with a discount code. Add mica, then evenly coat the mold. Next, I added some eco-friendly gold glitter in varying sizes. Now fill the mold. I didn't do this, but stop once it's filled halfway and pack it. Fill it the rest of the way, then pack it really well. I'm not strong enough and my hands aren't big enough to pack it, so I laid it on the ground, stepped on it, jumped on it, and did a few twists. Tap the mold thoroughly, then lift it up just a bit and continue tapping until the bomb is released. Dry the cake 24 hours. There are many options for decoration. You can airbrush it, which I'm planning a tutorial on. Spray alcohol, then add dry mica to it. Make a wet paint using alcohol, a bit of polysorbate 80, and mica. Then splatter, drizzle, or paint it. Apply eco-friendly glitter like cotton candy, or add sugar sprinkles like unicorn mix. For packaging, I recommend a box. This box is 7 by 7 and probably 10 inches tall. So I just cut the sides down and made it about 3.5 inches tall. The cake was a lot of fun. Cake bath bombs last a lot longer and they fill the entire tub up with foam. I actually only made this tutorial because one of my good friends begged me to make a gold cake for her son's birthday. It's really hard to say no to kids, plus I've been dying to play with my new cake mold. Anyway, the options are endless. You can make holiday themed cakes for any occasion like birthday, bachelorette, wedding, graduation, etc. Next time, I really want to make an elegant white cake with light airbrushing on the exterior and gorgeous bubble bath flowers on top. If you make this project, be sure to tag me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. And if you have an idea for a cake, be sure to comment it below. I'm sorry, I can barely talk. I have the worst chest cold and sore throat. All the beautiful sparkles were made with cotton candy eco glitter. I really hope Fizz Fairy restocks it soon, as it's the prettiest eco glitter, especially from their selection. Regardless, I shall link a discount code for it in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.